Okay guys, today another fast quick video on how to remove the tail light to replace the bulb or to replace the lens on a 2000 or 2005 Audi A4. I believe it's the S4 to B6, whatever ones that look like this. All right, this one's kind of easy. What you do, open the trunk. There's a little plug here. You unplug the plug, pry it open, and there's gonna be a 8mm bolt in there. I already loosened it. You're gonna take it out. Okay, so basically you're just gonna need an 8mm socket to get that bolt out. And then basically you just grab it from both sides, and there's a little pin on the top and a pin on the bottom, and you just push it out and it relieves the tabs. Then you have two tabs here, one on this side. You push it in, and there's one on this side. You push it in, and it pops the whole little light thing out right here. See? And then you can replace your bulbs. The tabs, they lock in here and in here. And just, reverse with the removal procedure. And you put it in and you put it back in. Very fast to do. All right. MotorCarNut 2020. Please subscribe, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.